This is how to install Spotify on your Mac. So let's get started. The first step is to open your browser. So I'll open Safari and then just search for Spotify download for Mac. Search for this and then click on the first link, which is called Mac download. And here select download. And now the download is complete. So if you click on this icon on the top right, you can see your downloads and just select this option, install Spotify. If you can't find it over here, you'll also see it in Finder. So open Finder, then click on downloads and you'll find this option, install Spotify. So click on this, click on open, and as you can see, it's installing Spotify. So this may take some time and you'll just have to wait. And as you can see, and here we've reached the login page of Spotify. So now all you have to do is log in. And there are two methods to do this. You can click on this link or you can just scan the code to log in. So this is how it works. And you now have Spotify on your Mac. And I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.